Welcome back, viewers. Yes, we are back here at Uvas Canyon County Park. Decided to come back for you guys. We only made it to the first falls, and I really like this area. The drive here is really nice. So we decided to come back and show you guys how to get to the second falls. Here's the bathrooms, and they're right here by the parking lot, so it's really cool. Take these steps up right here. There's the bathrooms. Here's where all the maps are and information that you need, and you automatically are like riverside with some tables, and all this area is day use. You come here and it costs $6 to get in, so it's not too bad, and you can use all of these day facilities, all those bathrooms. There's an amphitheater right there. They got barbecue pits. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys are hearing it, but there is water. I'm just gonna go ahead and explore since we got time today. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever been out this way. And
Santa Clara County.
yeah, Morgan Hill, Santa Clara County. You can hear the water. Ooh, look at this little side trail right here. Remember when we first came here, we were looking down on the trail that looked crazy? Should we take it?
What exploring is
We're
about.
exploring today.
Venturing out.
Hear that?
Sounds louder, but you can't really hear. Oh, I see it now. It's got a rush going to it. Just had a little rain. A couple days ago.
Look at that. Yeah, and it just rained.
Had a weird storm on.
Yeah, we went from winter to summer, winter to spring to summer, then back to winter again in like a day. But every day for like a week. So it's kind of crazy out here. Let's see if I can't get you guys a little more waterfall shots. Look at those. It's pretty crazy, you guys.
Nice and relaxing.
See that right there?
Be careful with your footings.
Yeah. It is a little
Steep.
And since it's been wet the past week and a half, it is a little bit muddy today. You guys could kind of see.
Not too much here, but in some areas.
Yeah, kind of see it's a little wet. I'm terrible with poison oak and poison ivy, so I just don't touch anything, you guys. Let's see. There's one other car in the parking lot, you guys. That was it. One other car. Look at that. Huh.
Look at a big tree that fell in.
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty crazy.
Saying, can you hear a tree when it calls in the forest?
Can you hear a tree when there's nobody there to hear it? Look at this. Wasn't there a shortcut way that we didn't go the last time?
No, there was a different.
That came up in front of the. It came up in front of the bridge over there. Remember?
Yeah.
Huh. It's a little slippery, you guys. So when you guys come down this way, you guys got to be very careful.
Get close to the water.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Take your time, you guys. It's really beautiful out here. If you guys come out this way, you won't regret it. Look at this. Really beautiful.
Up close and personal.
Yeah. Look at that, you guys. That is so cool. Look at this. This is really nice. I'm not sure if you could keep going forward. But we're just gonna hoof it. Okay. Alright, you guys, give me a minute. We will be back. Just gonna see what direction we're gonna end up going. Look at that, you guys. It's really nice. Alright, we'll be right back. What's that? You're gonna go back up that way and then go forward? Okay, I think I'm gonna try this steep route. So I'm right here, you guys, right where I left you, and I found this little shortcut right here. Well, I'm hoping it's a shortcut, but we shall find out. Ooh, guess she was right. Don't take the shortcut, guys. Okay, let's see. Whew! Truck through that like a champ. Man, got to put on your four-wheel drive shoes when you come through here, guys. It's really nice. There's a second way you could get to where we're trying to go.
We're just exploring.
And it's actually
we just kind of went off this way.
Right up there. But
I believe they do intersect and meet up.
Yeah, they do intersect and meet up at this bridge coming up.
You see all the different features of here.
Whew.
Show you as we leave.
That little incline whooped me a little, man.
It almost did.
It almost did. I almost didn't make it up. I'm not gonna lie, guys. What is that? Poison ivy?
Forage? I don't know.
Oh. I always seem to get next to some poison oak. Look at that, you guys. Whew. It's really pretty out here.
So the water pool just gets so nice. Like that little section of them.
Yeah. You could almost cross that.
You see little fishies or something, but there's not.
It's really nice.
It's so crystal clear.
Yeah. Let me know in the comments if you guys have taken this way instead of the high road up there. This way is a little more scenic, and it's not as tough as I thought it was going to be.
It's a little more rustic, but the trail's still pronounced.
Yeah.
You're not trying to make your own trail.
Yeah, it's not bad. Compared to a couple other trails we've been on, it's not too bad. And you're walking alongside the whole river.
Little creek or what is it, Las Uvas Creek, I believe
Yeah.
it is.
Look at that, where it pulls up right there. It's really nice.
Almost feel like you're like in the enchanted forest.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it looks like poison oak.
Get away from it.
Not too bad a trail. I think I see the bridge up there.
Oh, I do.
This has got to be one of the easiest but most rewarding hikes, because you're not even a mile in.
We just literally came off the side of the parking lot.
Yeah,
Followed the stream.
probably like 5 to 10 minutes. Probably I would say 7-8 minutes so far.
And it's not too treacherous.
Yeah, it's not treacherous.
But it's not just flat easy either, so pace yourself.
Look at that, you guys.
Enjoy the beauty and take the beauty.
The cool thing about it is that it's been raining and sprinkling, so everything here is just so green.
And it's like just damp, like you can smell the dampness, but
Yeah.
coolness. So we will do some absorption now.
Okay. Waterfall loop. When you come up, you guys, across the street, up into here, Waterfall Loop Nature Trail. You can go to your right or go back up to your left. But,
Look at this side.
ooh,
It's what you love to see.
yeah, I hate seeing these signs. Damn it. Okay,
Get a stick if you gotta fend off some rattlers.
goodness. Creek, Swanson Creek Trail, you guys. 0.1 miles. Remember the way when we came down this way?
Uh-huh. No, we came around that way from the top.
Well, yeah, we came down.
I came down here and
I
looked.
came with you, didn't I?
No, you stayed on
Oh,
that side.
you're right. We came down that way,
You stayed
up on the
that
top.
side where Granuja, right there. There's the fall that we went to.
Granuja.
That was the last video.
Yeah. We got to go wrap around the other loop to get up to the other part of the trail.
Yeah, this is a nice place.
It's a really nice place to hang out, you guys. And the thing I like about this is the second time we've been here. And the first time, not very many people. This time, still not very many people.
Not any people yet.
Yeah, we've seen one car. Hopefully that was just a,
Could have been a camper.
yeah, camper or grounds person. But look at that, you guys. That is
It's
just
so satisfying.
so nice.
Look at
So
just
beautiful.
that. This is cooling area. This looks nice.
Yeah,
Down below us.
all the way down. Really nice, you guys. And we're barely like 15 minutes into this walk. Not really even a hike. Just walk. All right, you guys. We're gonna head up to this little area, make this turn to the left, and we'll be back. All right, you guys. When you make it up to this top,
White elder.
yeah, white alder, you're gonna come to Canyon Live Oak. Now, the last time we came here, we came from that direction up there. So, this time, we're gonna go to the second fall. Wish us luck. All right, you guys, you're gonna come to the top of that little way. It says Waterfall Loop Road. Waterfall Loop Road. Nature Trail parking lot. The one good thing about this place is the signs are really clear, almost brand new. They take care of it, or maybe it's because,
It's well maintained.
yeah, it's well maintained. And I'm not sure how many people come here because it doesn't seem like many people come through here.
Practice it, or at least they take care of it.
Yeah. Look at that, you're gonna come up to this bridge. And the whole walk has pretty much almost been riverside. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna stray off this trail and we're gonna come over here. Himalayan blackberry. Huh. Okay. Let us see. Ooh, you guys. Under this bridge, is really cool. Under the bridge.
Cherry forest, all the moss.
Look at that, all the moss. Look at that, you guys. All that rock work. All down. This is really nice. It's a shame we didn't get to see this the first time we came here. The first time we came, you guys, we were on a schedule. So we kind of only, you know, had an hour and a half, 2 hours to be here. But this time we are exploring. This is really cool. Look at, you could go from that bridge and down here, and that trail keeps going up. But if you took this little scenic route, there's actually a trail up there that zigzags. Probably take that.
Cross the creek.
Yeah, you have to cross the creek.
Look at the wall.
Broken wall.
Spanish. The Spanish.
The conquistadors, I think.
Huh?
The conquistadors.
Oh, yeah.
I think they were here. Oh, okay, you guys. Ooh. This is really cool. Wow.
Looks so simple, but look at the powerfulness when you see just a little bit trickling down from way up there.
All the way down, you guys.
I wonder if it's all the way down. Oh, that's that way.
Wow. This is really nice.
Really
All the way
pretty.
down. Wow. If you guys are wondering if you should come to these waterfalls over here, you definitely should.
It's worth the trip.
It's worth the trip.
It's
See
very
how-
serene and
Are we going to be able to cross this?
well, can your feet get there?
I think so.
Sometimes you want to have it right here, there's more water.
I'm just going for the gusto.
Hot spots on the wet rock.
Here we go, you guys. So what we're doing. Right in the middle of it. Right in the thick of it. Okay, you guys. Let's take this trail. This is like the goat trail. You got it? You okay?
I almost had to sacrifice my foot getting a little wet.
I almost did too.
Look at one rock kind of unlodged a little.
This is really nice.
Look at it, it's so simple for that power that is floating out.
I know. Look at that, you guys. Keep trucking. We took the long way, but the scenic way. There's the bridge you guys got to cross to get through here. And you got to make it up across this bridge. Let's see. Dry wash across the creek. See waterfall loop guide. Holy Toledo.
Oh, look at what that comes from.
Wow.
You would think this little stream makes that powerful force of that wall over there.
Look at that. It is so cool to be able to walk the riverside with these streams and waterfalls. It's really soothing, especially for when you have to do that. Alright, you guys, we are going to hit this incline and see what happens. We'll be back. Walking up this hill, notice this nice, beautiful butterfly, you guys. Look at that. Oh, there he is.
There he goes. This hill is a little tough on you guys. See if we can't get a little closer. Nope. He's not having it today. Oh, he's not having it. All right, you guys. We're gonna make this hill. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. That little mountain is a little tough. Just a little.
Pace yourself.
Pace yourself. But my fingers crossed that we are over the hump. So here comes another bridge. About to see where this takes us. The loop, it's a loop, so kind of get to see all this before you get to loop back on the bottom. Kind of get to see this.
A preview of what you could walk right
Yeah.
now.
Oh wow, look at that. That is pretty cool.
Do you want to slide on it?
Oh wow, there's even. Okay, we gotta check this out.
You can go up that side.
Let's see. Right here.
No, around. Look
Right
around
here?
The bridge, there's a trail.
Look at that waterfall right there.
There's a trail going that way.
Yeah, I know. Look at this. Let me get up in there then. That's the easier way. That is really cool. Look at that, you guys. All alongside. Badass waterfall. Look at that. That is really cool. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been this far up the trail. It's almost like one of those rock water slides. This. Wow, that is really cool too. It's worth the hike, you guys. It's not that hard of a hike. And we've been just slow motion it, sightseeing through here. And I probably would come here again. That's how cool it is. See how the water kind of starts to go through here, the walkway? That is really cool. Wow. Okay, it gets a little sketchy, just a tiny bit sketchy. But you can make it through fairly easily. Holy. All the way down to the bridge. Wow. That is really cool. Check this out. You guys gotta kind of cross, maybe not. Let's see. Walk the plank. Okay. Wow. Okay, we're right here. Right next to it. Wow. There it is. Not that hard of a uphill either. I did slip and slide a couple of times. But I'm here. This is the end. Like I said, let me know if you guys have been here. Let me know if it was really easy for you guys to get here as well. It's fairly easy. Okay, you guys. After that final, well, not final waterfall, I guess, but the loop, I think, is going to about end over here. Right after that bridge. And I think you could probably go down right here and start your descent back. But I think we're going to see where this... I think there's some water over there.
Do you want to go down there and go by the water?
I'm not sure. Why does this go up higher? Let's take a look. Let's see where this goes. We're just going to do a real quick reconnaissance. Let's see. Since we got all rested up at that fall. I thought that was going to be the end of the video, but turns out there's more. Yeah. So stay tuned. We took the high road. I'll let you know where it goes. Alright, you guys. We decided to keep it going because technically the trail that's closer to the river is a little rougher as it goes over there. But we're on this second one up here. But the view is very nice. It's a little bit of an incline, but once you rest up at one of the falls, you get relaxed, calm. Now I don't mind walking another half mile to the very top. Alright, stay tuned. When you come up the road, you could go even higher. I don't know if I can handle that, because I noticed this bench, which would be an awesome little picnic place. Oh, creeping myrtle. You can see right there, there's another bridge up there. Look at that. Periwinkle.
That little road right there, because there's a sign up there.
Yeah.
A marker.
We're gonna keep it hoofing?
Yep.
Okay. Nice little area.
It's a hoofing.
Something's eating good in the neighborhood over there.
It's gonna be eating you right now.
Huh?
All these mosquitoes.
And little skater eaters.
There's a little nice one over there falling.
Yeah.
You can't see it, you just missed it over there.
I see it. And actually there's more.
Over there.
Oh. Holy Toledo.
Ooh, squirrel.
Look at that.
That's the one I seen like earlier. It's supposed to be tail like that.
No, the one we seen looked like a dog. It's big. This place is really cool. Look at you cross right here. It's a nice little bridge. Look at that.
He's like a little creek.
Ooh, ooh. Another one. You see him?
Yeah, but I think I saw the river.
It's really nice. Damn, Upper Falls? What does that mean?
There's another fall that's up there.
Upper Falls.
And there's a lower falls. Like I think where we were at.
Wow, look at that, you guys. We have to try that another day. Look at that.
The Basin Falls, yeah. That's a little inclined. Too inclined for me to wanna. This one, look at.
Wow, there is a lot of nice places here.
Look at. Turn the corner.
Holy Toledo.
It's Mexican.
Holy Toledo.
I'm going into the country forest.
We're gonna try and hoof this, you guys, for you. Wow, this is even better than the fall we were just at. Wow.
Take your time getting like
Yeah. It's a little bit rocky, I think.
Just hopping around.
And I think we're gonna have to cross this little.
Just to get that closer view, right?
Yeah.
Sacrifice is getting your foot water.
Okay. Wow. Holy Toledo. Wow. I didn't think it could get any better. And guess what? It got better. Yeah. Wow. That is really beautiful. Wow. There's a trail up there too. This place is awesome, you guys. I do recommend. Yeah, there's like so many adventures in here. Wow.
You like nature? Get on out here.
Look at that, you guys. That is really nice.
When do we have this in our backyard?
Oh, we will house something pretty soon. Look at that. That's where the cheetahs take their prey.
That's all we do. Mountain lion. What part of it?
Wow.
Rattlesnake goes yard.
That is so beautiful.
That was a rattlesnake anaconda.
Let me know if you guys have been to this fall. What was the name of it?
This one, I didn't see the name of it, but the one we were at earlier was Black Rock Falls.
Black Rock Falls? Wow.
We'll have to see. This must be a different Black Rock Falls because it's a big black rock.
Unless this is Black Rock Falls.
No, because it said for the arrow that we came from.
Oh. Okay. So let me know if we're wrong. Leave it in the comments. This is our first time over in this area. We've only been to the other area once. So we are pretty much newbies here.
Exploring with you guys.
Yeah. We're exploring.
You're exploring with us.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have came on my side.
Well, once I get past this area, it's not as bad. All right, you guys. I'm going to pop up when we get back on land. All right, you guys. We made it back from that fall. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys know what fall that was. That was the Upper Falls. The one that we were just at was Black Rock Falls.
No, that was Upper Falls we were just
And the one we were just at before that was Black Rock Falls. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm guessing there's even more because there's that trail that goes up. There's another trail that goes over here. But I think we're just going to enjoy the loop back and leave that for another video and another
it says
adventure.
that the waterfalls the water flow is too high, then it's closed up that way. So we don't want to take the chance and have to come back.
That would be pretty cool if there's something going on out there, like a big flow of
It
water.
just said it's a quarter of a mile ahead, may be closed and impossible during the seasonal high water
maybe
levels.
next time we'll have to come when it's been,
It's just a
sunny
little
for
more,
a few months.
yeah, a little more closer to summer.
All right, you guys. We are going to go ahead and cross this bridge, or maybe,
Go back down the loop.
yeah,
and
we're going to go back the loop.
and go closer to the thing and follow all those little bridges.
Mm-hmm.
Give you the closer view back up the creek.
Let us know in the comments if you went up that extra quarter mile and
To the basin.
yeah, to the basin, and what was it worth that extra hike? This is the other side of the bridge.
Just not today.
Yeah, we're gonna take it, just not today.
But we want to see your comments.
Yeah.
What you guys
Let
see
us
if you
know.
have been here.
I think we're gonna take the river route back.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you guys. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. We're back on the loop.
And down the trail, we're coming up to this.
Really nice.
Little nice pool of rocks and fallen branches. Look at those trees. Look at
Big
those branches.
trees just falling down.
I wonder how old that tree is and how long it's been like that.
It's 50,000 years old, and it's been like that for 5,000 years.
Not that one. That was
kidding.
big.
Oh yeah.
Sir
Oh,
one-
I'm
those
sorry.
big Sir ones,
I mean,
would
I'm sorry.
believe.
That one was 30,000 years old. Sorry.
Oh,
I thought you meant the other one.
you're off by a couple.
I was off by 10, 15,000.
Yes.
Give or take a handful of millennia.
This was my great pappy was here, not just my great pappy. The
Oh,
great
look at these
great
ants.
one.
You're not getting those ants in your
Great.
shoes.
Ooh, look at that rock. It's all furry, all green.
Everything's nice and green. It was just raining, you know,
Just
2-3 days ago.
Yeah, we had a weird storm come through our area.
Yeah. Wow.
Look, there's that bridge over there. It looks like almost. how
That's
is
the
it?
one that takes us to the
Pioneer
other.
Making like still old school. Like you want to cross it because it looks like in those fairy tales that you're like I don't know if I want to cross it because
If we're gonna colonize, we gotta build a bridge to the other side.
you're stupid. I just think because they might be old, but you know they maintain this place and they do have like those steel beams under them
Yeah.
that went under the other bridge earlier.
This is probably one of the best areas I've been in ever.
Look at that. That'd be nice to like get your feet wet in
Yeah.
when it gets hotter.
There's not a lot of traffic
and we come
out
prepared
here.
for that, especially during the week. If you come during the week, it's less traffic. I do know that they ask for reservations. You call in for parking reservation for the
Yeah.
weekends and holidays, so you don't get turned away just because their parking gets full.
Yeah.
But once you're in,
You're in.
You don't have to be out by a certain time.
And if you come during the week, it's not gonna be very busy.
Yeah, like we said, there was one car when we got
Yeah,
here.
one car. And we've only bumped into 2 people since we've been
probably
here.
that couple.
Yeah.
No, probably not, because we've been here a while and
Yeah.
they probably just got here.
Now we're about to cross this bridge into the Thunderdome.
Ooh, look at it. This looks so nice.
Very beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Picturesque, like those calendars you see.
Mm-hmm.
It shows
Wow.
like- look at that.
This place is crazy. Everywhere you turn, there's cascading water.
Nature just amazes you with its
Yeah.
beauty.
Just when you guys think the world is ugly,
Just goes a little
oh yeah.
wobbly.
Just when you guys think the world is ugly, I'll show you this, and turns out
Remember
it's
how
a beautiful
places
world.
all can be- Ooh, look at these homemade steps.
Ooh, look at that poison ivy. Yummy.
Don't look at that. Get away from that. Look at the ferns on this side.
All right, you guys, we're gonna hoof it down here. Stay tuned.
It looks like
Wow, that is.
the waterfall that we looked at by
Yeah.
that bridge over there.
Look at that, you guys.
The Grahalba, Grahuba, or
Grahua, Granua.
Grahuna. It was like Granuda, but it was Grahuna.
Grahuna, Granuha.
There it was, Granuda.
It's so crazy here because just when you think you've seen the best waterfall, like you pop up on a whole nother waterfall that's even better.
And it can be small, but it's unique in its own way, and
Yeah.
it's got its own nice beauty.
Look at that, you guys. That is fucking awesome.
If you want to go down in that little area,
You can too.
yeah, but we don't want to
Look at what over here.
endanger it.
Nah, look at right here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
See that? Right here. I'm just joking.
Let's jump.
Yeah, you literally got to jump, but wow, look at that.
That's
Holy
a nice
shit.
picture.
That is a badass
Can you imagine just
picture.
sitting in that little pool up there?
Yeah,
Take
let's
time.
imagine it.
You get those water shoes and just stand in there and take a good picture.
Look at that.
So if you're a photographer, this is a nice place to come take some pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Or you're a model and you want to come close to the nice nature.
If you're a model and you want to take some pictures, she's saying this would be a good place to go. Wow. Wow. Thought you found a better fall. Turns out there's an even better one. So cool. Alright, you guys, I'm going to make my way up that little shady walkway, and I will return. Alright, I made it out of that little hump.
Look at that
Across
pipe.
that bridge. I see it. It's got water coming out. I wonder if they put it there for it to drain.
The soil,
Yeah, so it doesn't get all built up.
Mudslide.
Yeah. Look at this. Now we're going to cross another bridge.
And another one. Oh, look at this. There's like
Rock, yeah.
cobblestone,
Little cobblestone walkway.
To the bridge.
I wonder if they had to have made that.
Yeah, they made this, but a long time ago.
Yeah.
Because big boulders and then have to make this. Nature cut this out right
Yeah.
here.
All that water streaming down.
Above that rock.
Uh-oh. Poison oak. Oh, I hate this. Poison oak. That's it right there, you guys. Ooh. Ooh.
Changes from spring to summer and changes colors from green to red and yellows.
Yikes.
So you know how to distinguish that.
I just don't touch anything. That's what I do. When I was a kid,
Wear long sleeves.
when I was a kid, they taught us to keep your hands to yourself. So guess what?
Looking with your eyes.
I
not
mostly
with your
keep
hands.
with my hands to myself.
Mostly, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. It's a little
Wow.
pool area. Pool of water.
Yeah, it's
And
pretty
then
cool
the
right there.
creek kinda
On a
goes
hot
down
day,
here.
this might be refreshing.
Yeah,
We haven't
it's
touched the
hot
water.
out here.
Okay, I need to touch this water. Let's go.
Just to see how
I want
cold
to
it
see what
is.
we're dealing with over here.
But you got to take into account that we're just coming out of spring. I mean, coming out of winter. So this is coming like melting down. So it will be a little colder. But once these temperatures pick up in this area, they get up in the hundreds, high 90s. So
Let's get a little closer.
always.
Look at this, you guys. It's cold. No, it's not getting too much warm. This is runoff. It's not getting too much warmer than this. But I mean, it's not deep enough for you to get it all in anyways. You probably, put your feet in it if it's too
Walk.
too hot
Soak your feet
or too
in
cold,
while
I
you're
mean.
walking, and then cool down.
Yeah.
Take
I
a
mean,
break
if you could find a little sandy beach area in one of these falls, that's the perfect little hangout.
Yeah, but I don't
bring a
think they have
picnic.
that in this setting.
Bring one of them Mountain Mike's pizzas.
You're gonna be hiking all this way with your
Pizza. It'd be worth it though. Look at that.
You have one of those little hot pouches and you put in your backpack.
Yep, just like they get. It's pretty cool.
Get those MRIs, what is it? MRIs,
MREs.
there you go. The military ones just get pizza flavor.
Look at that. That's where the animals take you to maul you in there. Ooh, mosquitoes. What's that? Yeah, that's cool right there too. Wow. That's the trail we were on. That's the loop. Goes all the way up that way.
All
the way
showing
up.
you guys down there saying, looky down there.
We've seen a lot of this place, but we haven't seen it all. So
But seeing it up close and seeing it from different views really does make a difference. Just
Yes.
gives you different perspectives of how beautiful it is.
Mhm. All right, you guys, we're gonna hoof
Keep
it down
on
here,
going.
and we'll be back. All right, just a couple minutes later, and you make it down almost
Actually,
to the
make it
end.
back to the other side. Remember how we went up that section?
See
We
it right
the
there?
wall?
There's the
the
first
other
bridge
side.
over there. See how the water just comes from the top?
It's just coming from everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's trickling down. Be careful.
Yeah.
Try not
It's
to
a little
get your
bit
feet
tough
wet
terrain,
so that the little
but nothing
rocks
you
aren't
can't.
slick.
Yeah, a little bit of tough terrain, but nothing you guys can't manage. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, just take your time and it's all manageable.
Here's that first bridge that we came to, and that first fall that we seen here. We took that detour. I wanted to get up on the fall. Here's that fall, you guys. Look at that. Alright, you guys, I guess this would be a good place to end the video, since the walk back is just right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. Alright, you guys, take care. Peace.